All right, I just want to make a quick review on this work light because this thing's a monster. This thing's fantastic. So it's a hanging light. It has a little spring loaded clip here so you can clip into whatever you need to. And then it's just a wired work light. It's got lights all the way around. It spreads and shines in all different directions, including across the base. And it has this nice metal protector around it. So it is a work light. You're out in the garage, wherever you're working, it does get banged around, but it can also stand right on the bottom of this. It does have these little legs to it as well. But the big thing obviously is how bright it is. So let me hurry and plug this thing in. This thing is like stupid bright. Like I'm harnessing the sun over here. I'm gonna plug it. It is a bit too bright for me to have here in my room while I'm making this review on it. But this thing, while you're working in the garage or whatever you're doing, is a monster. It is absolutely fantastic. And it has a little slot with a plug-in, so you can plug this one into the wall and then get more of these and plug them into each other and make a string of them. So lots to it. Super solid light. If you're looking for a work light, this thing's insane. It is incredible. I would highly recommend it.